Hey, Exotic Security. I wanted to show you a demo of how we can do this. You're asking for creating recurring tasks based on a date, and specifically a way to change the date of a bill from April 3rd to May 3rd. So take the same calendar day and just move it to the next month. I'm going to show you how we can do this using Caret. I'll demo first and then walk through the setup. I have a few recurring bills set here, and like your instructions, what will happen is if this is set to complete, then it will trigger the automation. So I'm going to switch this one. Netflix subscription, currently May 25th is the next due date, hypothetically, and we want to move this to June. So I'm going to flip that to paid, and we will give it just a moment here, and it'll update. All right, there we go. We saw it just flip to June. A little bit of an awkward pause there. The way that works, though, is when we flip these, we're triggering an automation here in Notion that sends a webhook request to Caret. So I'm going to show you the Caret side now. So this is Caret. Here we have this most latest run started. And the way this works is essentially we've set up an automation that can receive the ID of a Notion record and the current due date. So we don't actually have to configure any of this. All we have to do is select this magic webhook, add it in here, and add it to the automation, which I have set here. So when any status is set to complete, we essentially trigger this automation in this workflow in Caret, and it will then use AI to identify the current date and update it to the next month. To show that in what it looks like in Caret, we receive these inputs, we use AI to parse it out, and then we update the Notion record. There you have it. That is how we can automate this for you using a Caret workflow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.